Oreo. Hi, Oreo. Well, don't worry. You're fine. Ain't nothing gonna hurt you. Big yes. And then the ducks. That one's a male. That one's a male. That one's a female. Oh, there's 2 males back there. Yeah, so the 2 females. No. 1 female. Yeah. The 1 female. Oh no. Oh, that could be 2 females, 2 males. Anyways. And there's the freaking ass chickens I don't like. They're bullies. And then the siblings, I think. You're a cutie. You look like you got vampire eyes, man. And then here's the baby. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? You're right there. Come here. Come here, the baby. No, I won't hurt you. Aren't you a cutie? Here's the baby. Your 2 siblings died. Hey, sad.